Hello, my love. Are you still awake? Oh, sweetheart. It's okay, my love. Hey, look at me for a second. Oh, those eyes. You haven't slept at all, have you? Oh, my poor baby. Yeah, I can tell. That's okay. It's alright. I know you've been trying so hard. Haven't you? Don't be frustrated with yourself, okay? Don't. Shh, it's okay. Look at me. Look at mommy. Breathe nice and slow for me. In. And out. You're okay, baby. I think you're just worked up because you're tired, and you're tired because you're worked up. So it's a cycle, you know. I know, it's okay. Mommy's here now. Mommy's here now. I missed you, my little pumpkin. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here to watch over you now. I'll keep you safe. Here, scooch over. Just a little. Let mommy snuggle up with you. There we go. Come here, baby. Come into my arms. I've got you. Right here. Put your head right here. That's it. I've got you. Are you comfy? Good, baby. Good. Makes me very happy. I'm sorry that I took so long. I've been thinking about you all day. I wish I could have been here sooner. And then I could have gotten you to sleep at a more reasonable hour. But it's okay. At least I can help now. Oh, my baby. My sweet baby. You're alright. You're alright. Are your thoughts very loud tonight? What's running through that pretty little head of yours? Or is it just everything? I understand. I know it feels like sometimes you just can't turn them off. Oh. I know, baby. But you're safe now, okay? I'm home and the world is locked outside. Nothing needs to be solved this late. I promise every problem that you might be thinking about is a tomorrow problem. Right now, the only thing I want you to think about is how precious you are to me, and how I want you to relax in my arms, okay? I need you feeling your best tomorrow, so I want you to just relax right now, okay? Yeah. Can you do that for me? Okay. You're doing really well, by the way. I can feel you calming down. Just keep breathing. Nice and slow. You don't have to say anything. I'll do all the talking, okay? You're okay, baby. I know. I know. What was that? Oh, baby, I missed you more. I did, I missed you so much more. No, I did. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. You're the cutest baby in the world. Aren't you? Do you know? Do you know how cute you are? You must know. I can't believe I even get to hold you in my arms. I feel very lucky. I do. You're such a blessing. You make my life so much better. You know, I was thinking about you all day today. On my way home, I was thinking about how much I love coming home to you. I do. Seeing your beautiful face. I definitely get a touch worried when I'm away from you for a long time. Well, I just want to make sure that you're taking care of yourself. You know? Eating enough, drinking water, getting to bed at a reasonable hour. It's okay. I was hoping you'd be asleep, but I'm happy that I got to see you and say hello before you drifted off. Well, otherwise I'd have to wait until the morning. Seeing you is the best part of my day, so yeah. Are your thoughts quieting down a little? Very good. Very, very good. Let them just float away like little clouds. They don't belong with us here right now. Only sweet, cozy thoughts belong with us here. Everything else can wait.